IMTEX 2023 has been an amazing platform to all the Indian manufacturers as well as the international companies as well. We have seen that there has been so many visitors, so many customers inquiring and getting to know about the innovations. Today, here we are present at the booth of the company Gudel with their director, Mr. Kiran Naik. Hello sir, how are you?
Very hello. Thank you so much. I'm doing fine.
So sir, how has been IMTEX so far for you and the company?
See, since it's happening after a long gap, right? It makes it far more interesting. Gudel has been participating in IMTEX for the past many years across. We have made our presence felt here, but this year was special because it's a big gap, and we also wanted to showcase something new, meet all the customers again back. So it's definitely a good 7 days interaction network session that we had. Thank you. Yeah.
So, can you please brief us a little bit about your company?
Yeah. See, Gudel is a global company. We are based at Switzerland. Langenthal is our headquarters, and it has close to about 20 subsidiaries globally. India is one of the manufacturing facility of Gudel. Gudel is into anything related to gantry handling as well as robotic handling automation. Gudel is into, and a wide range from products to modules, robotics to solutions is what we offer to our customers. So they can start from small components to the entire solution. That's the kind of portfolio we offer. And in India, we have been very successful in all these segments and areas. Yeah.
That's really great. So you said that it's really exciting for you to come back at IMTEX after 4 long years of gap. And you have been showing new innovations and meeting the customers. So what kind of innovation have you been displaying?
Yeah. See, Gudel, as I said, is a well-known player globally as well as in India. We have been supplying to almost all automotive OEMs, non-automotive OEMs, Tier 1 manufacturers, machine tool manufacturers, which is a special focus here. Okay, and Gudel gantries, we have supplied to about more than 1,000 gantries running in India. Okay, so it is well known. We wanted to come to IMTEX with rather a different product portfolio what we have, and India being a very competitive market, we were focusing on localization to be done for some of our products. So here at Gudel for this year, we have come across with our product called trackmobile. This is actually a standard product portfolio earlier, which is to be imported from Switzerland directly. And of course, with import from Switzerland, there in terms of deliveries and service, there are always challenges. We used to overcome that, but making it in India would have been great. So we attempted this year, and this is completely developed and manufactured here in India. Okay, so that's the advantage what we have got. We have already received multiple inquiries as well as orders for this system, and this becomes a more standard module for us. And along with our gantry portfolio, we are also looking at big sales in this area. Yeah. So, and almost OEMs, automotive, Tier 1, Tier 2, we are selling these products across. Yeah.
So this machine is quite big if we see, and the whole machine is 100% made in India.
Yeah.
That is absolutely amazing. We can see how well progressive our industry has become. So I would like to know how much time did it take to make this whole product?
See, ours, majority of our systems are customized in the solution business, but in the robotics and components, they are more standard. So it doesn't take us as long, like months together to develop this. This whole system we can provide in less than 15 weeks time. This entire 7th axis, what you see here, can be supplied. So we have made our deliveries also quicker. We get a good support from our global team also for supplying these precision components. Yeah, and India being a big manufacturing hub, we are able to get good vendors also to supply these products to us. Yeah.
That is really amazing. So seeing how well companies are doing and supporting the Indian economy, making in India and also exporting it outside, this is really incredible.
And that is very well seen because for this past 7 days, we have got a lot of responses across. We have a lot of customers who were very interested in seeing this. A lot of applications we have received. We have multiple inquiries which after going back, we have to sit together and discuss across. So again, thanks to IMTMA and IMTEX platform for giving us this opportunity. Yeah.
Definitely.
Thank you.
So we have seen that Industry 4.0 is what is mainly in the discussion nowadays. After the pandemic, we have seen how automation is growing. Robots are coming up. Digitalization is going on to boost the productivity even more.
True.
So what are your thoughts regarding that?
See, Gudel has a portfolio from design to service, and so manufacturing, everything is there. And software is one of the key strengths of Gudel. In India, we have a very strong software team who have been very dedicatedly working across in terms of using all kind of controllers, using traceability, barcode, 2D scans, and the integration of Industry 4.4, industry IoT solutions across in India. For gantry across, the lifespan is very big. We have systems running for more than 25 years without any failure right now, and customers are expecting us to get some kind of feedback from them in terms of preventive maintenance cycles, in terms of how many cycles have been run, when they should be changing the spares, when they should be changing the lubrication. So we have right now systems across which give all the data from the system, and we can log into the software of the customer and give them all this information. So a lot of development also is happening in this area, and Industry 4.0 IoT being the most talked about thing right now, we are well prepared for being in that area. Yes, yes.
That is really great.
Yeah, yeah,
So it was really great, interacting with you and getting to know about Gudel and realizing that this big robot, this big machine is made in India.
Yeah.
It's really great, sir.
Yeah.
So congratulations on this machine and also getting so much of quality response.
Sure, sure.
I'm sure the whole company is packed up for the year
Yes.
with the orders.
Thank you so much.
So all the very best,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.